Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we will jump to module 6, which is input and output. Here we will understand file handling concepts in COBOL. So there are three things which we're going to do in this module. First we will understand file handling terms which we're going to use in COBOL program. Then we will understand sequential and random file handling process we have. Then we will do a practical for all the three concepts. First is the reading, writing and updating a file. So let's start. File handling in COBOL. The concept of files is different from other programming languages like C++ and Java. So to understand the file handling, we must know the few terms which would be used in file handling and writing a COBOL program. So these are the terms we have: field, record, physical record, logical record, and file. So we will understand these terms through a mainframe file. So let's go to the mainframe. So this is the sample data present in one mainframe file. So if you see, we have this data, employee information. Like if we see the 5 bytes, the starting 5 bytes, we have the employee ID 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So 5 bytes we have the employee ID. So first we have field. So this is the field. Employee ID is the field. And then second we have name, and this is 20 bytes. If we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and till 25, like 20 bytes we have for name. So this is another field. Then third we have salary. Salary we have 9 bytes total from here to here. Then we have another field, bonus. This is 3 bytes. So this is one field and this is one field. And every field holds some information about employee. Like this employee ID, these are the employee IDs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10. So we called it as field in a mainframe. The next we have record. If we consolidate employee ID, name, salary, and bonus, so this complete information will become one record. This is another record, and this is another record, and this is the size of record from here to here. It can be variable or fixed length. So this is fixed 80 bytes. We can declare a file variable length as well. So the record size would be 32. This is 30, 35, and 37. So this is the record. Next term we have physical record. Physical record means the physically data present in the external device or file. So this is the record present in this file. We called it as physical record. This is the physical record present. And then we have logical record. So in COBOL programming, what COBOL program does, it reads the record from the file, one record at a time. For example, if program reads this file, it will read one record, only one record at a time, and will do the operations like reading, writing, and processing. So each one record we called it as logical record. Now if the program reading this record, it is a logical record. If the program reading this record, this is logical record. Next we have file. So file is every record, the consolidate all the records, we called it as one file. This is one file. This is the file name we have, PS file, and the complete data will become one file. And guys, I have just added this just to let you know what is this field and what is this field. So generally we don't have headings in our mainframe files. So I'll remove this. So this is the actual data. Like 5 bytes, if any file is starting 5 bytes would be employee ID. The next 20 byte would be employee name. And the next 9 bytes would be employee salary. And next 3 bytes would be employee bonus. So we define these fields and records in our COBOL program. I will let you know in coming videos. So we have discussed file, we have discussed field, we have discussed a record, physical record, logical record, and a complete file. So this is a partition data set present in mainframe. I hope you guys have understood the few terms which we will be using file handling in COBOL in upcoming videos. So that's all about this lecture. We will meet in the next one. Thank you guys.